In this video, I'm going to show you how to add already installed game to Epic Games. So first of all, this method will work only if you legally own the game in your Epic Game account. So as an example, let me just go and now start installing the game as example. You can go and open your Epic Games launcher and click on library. You can go to the game that you want to install as an example and just go and click on install and choose the file location, then click on install. You can choose the same drive and folder where your game is already installed. Let's say, an example, I'm trying to install here Fortnite. And for me, Fortnite is already installed on the PC. But it's not on Epic Games. So all I need to do, just click on install, click on browse, and simply I'll have to look for the game folder and I'll have to choose that download location. Normally, you should find it in your program files, so make sure just to look for your game. And let's say an example, I don't know, this is our game. You can just go, or this is our game folder. I can just go and click on it and click on select that folder and it will be downloaded there. So once you click on install, it will not take a lot of time to install the full game because you already have it installed. And just an important thing that you need to know, you must install it to the exact same folder the game is already in. If it's not that, it will not work. So once you click on install, you will have right away to go and pause the install, wait for it, of course, until it's reached 1 or 2%, then pause the install directly. Once you do so, all you need to do is just go and close Epic Games. Don't click on X. You'll have to close it fully. Once it is fully closed, you'll have to go and go to the exact location. As an example, let's say, I don't know, where do you have it? But let's just say you have it somewhere here. Let's just say you have it somewhere here. And all you need to do, just go and delete the small new files Epic created. And you'll have to copy and paste your already installed game files into the folder that Epic Games created. So Epic Games will create a folder, and inside that folder you will find the small files that is downloaded from the 1 to 2%. All you need to do, just go and delete those files. As an example, let's say we have here some files inside this folder. I'm just going to delete those files as an example, and I'm going to paste my game inside the folder that Epic Games created. And don't rename or change any folders, just use the same names Epic expects. And then you can go back now and close everything, go and open Epic Games Launcher again, and all you need to do, just go to your game and click on resume. And once you click on library and click on resume install, it will verify the existing file instead of downloading the full game, and you should be good to go. It should be done, and Epic now will recognize your installed game without any problems. And of course, this will not work if the game wasn't originally downloaded from Epic, or you rename the key folders or files, or you try to install cracked/pirated copy that are not supported or is not supported or allowed by Epic Games. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.